Exploring Asiatique Bangkok, Thailand. Picking up from our last video, we were last getting off the ferry that we took from Waterfront Pier, and we just arrived at Asiatique. The full name for this place is actually Asiatique the Riverfront, but most people just call it Asiatique. That's the famous Siri Mahanip ship. It's a fine dining restaurant serving Danish cuisine. It's a replica of the Thin Kramum. That is the ship Hans Niel Andersen used to sail from Denmark to Thailand. Who is he? Stick around and we'll explain. Asiatique is a large open-air mall located on the banks of the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok, Thailand. It occupies the former docks of the East Asiatic Company. The East Asiatic Company was founded by Danish shipping magnate Hans Niel Andersen in 1887. It's actually still in operation and is now known as the AC Invest. Asiatique began operations in 2012. The complex is huge and occupies almost 5 hectares of land. It has a historical theme focused on the period of King Chulalongkorn's reign from 1868 to 1910. There are 1,500 shops and stalls and 40 restaurants. The sprawling complex is divided into 4 districts. Each district has its own unique theme. Charan Krung District is named after the road it is adjacent to. It contains all the performance venues such as the Calypso Cabaret Show, Joe Louis' traditional Thai puppet theater, and a Muay Thai fight arena. The town square district features all foreign restaurants, sports bar, and an event venue. The factory district focuses on fashion and product retail. Finally, you have the Waterfront District. This is where we are right now. This district is next to the river. It claims it's the longest waterfront promenade in Bangkok. It has a large event space for concerts. It has several riverside restaurants. It also houses Asiatique Sky, the tallest Ferris wheel in Thailand at 60 meters. And this brings us back to the replica ship we saw earlier, which is berthed right next to the Ferris wheel. Up ahead is the beautiful Crystal Grill House. I'm in slow-mo so you can see it clearly. It looks so luxurious. Right up next is the carousel. The carousel ticket is 100 baht. That's less than $3. And here's the Mystery Mansion. The Mystery Mansion ticket is 300 baht. This ride is 3 minutes long. There she is, the famous Asiatique Sky, Thailand's largest Ferris wheel. An adult ticket is 300 baht. The ride lasts around 15 to 20 minutes. Pro tip, only take it in the evening for beautiful views of the sunset on Bangkok. You can't see much if you take it at night. So many food carts. Let's check out the stores. This is the factory district. As you can see, there are more retail stores here. Notice there are more restaurants here. This is the town square district. Lovely looking fountain. Chang is a famous beer in Thailand. Over there is Calypso Cabaret. This means I'm near Charan Krung district. This is the exit to Charing Cross Road.
Hello, why? Daddy, you call me, but I'm not in Singapore, lah. Okay, welcome back. You call Rahul, okay, welcome back.
Don't go yet. I want to show you guys something, but we got to cross the street first. Boy, is it busy. Be right back. Finally, we can cross. We're almost there. Welcome to Panada Food Court. You can get really affordable authentic Thai food here. Just make sure you get here before 9 p.m. as most of the food stalls close by then. Most of the food stalls here serve halal food. This is because it's predominantly Muslim area and it's right next to a mosque. This is Bangkok Mosque. This mosque was built in 1972. Okay, let's get some cheap and yummy food. I'm lucky there's still some stalls open. Pro tip: Muslim travelers just need to look out for the halal sticker to identify Muslim stalls. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.